Rounds 1 and 5 are worked in a very similar way. They are worked with the main colored marl. All the cables crossed on the previous main colored round, and now the cable on the right side of the cross will continue traveling to the right, and the cable on the left side of the cross will continue traveling to the left. We're going to work a T2B1 so that this blue cable will continue traveling to the right by one background stitch. I'll slip the first stitch to the cable needle and hold the cable needle in back. The B in T2B1 stands for back. The stitches on my left needle are design elements. They're in light blue, and that isn't a color that's in the working marl. These stitches will be slipped purlwise with my marl in back. Then I purl the background stitch from my cable needle. Now I'll work a T2F1. These two design elements are going to travel one background stitch to the left. I'll slip the two design elements to my cable needle and hold them in front. The F in T2F1 stands for front. I purl the background stitch from my left needle. Then I work the two design elements from my cable needle. These design elements are in the bright green. This green is in the marl. I will knit them both through the back loop with the bright green only. These two design elements have moved to the right. These two design elements have moved to the left. I slip these design elements and I knit these design elements through the back loop. Now I'll work the stitches without a cable needle. For the T2B1, I bring my right needle to the front of my work and insert it into the second and third stitch on my left needle. I pinch my work and pull the left needle out. The background stitch falls to the back of my work and I catch it with my left needle. Then I move the two design elements from my right needle to my left needle. The stitches are rearranged and now I'm going to work them. The first two stitches are design elements. They're in dark green, and dark green is in the working marl. I'm going to knit both those stitches through the back loop with the dark green only. The next stitch is a background stitch. I'm going to purl it. Now I'll work a T2F1 without a cable needle. I bring my right needle to the back of my work and insert it into the third stitch. I pinch my work and pull the left needle out. Two design elements fall to the front of my work and I catch them with my left needle. Then I move the stitch from my left needle to my right needle. My stitches are rearranged and now I'm going to work them. I purl the background stitch. The next two stitches are design elements. They're in pink. Pink is not in my working marl, so I'm going to slip these stitches purlwise with my marl in back.